Welcome to YOUCANIC. So today here on YOUCANIC we got this Honda Fit. It's a 2011. We're going to go over how you would get this door handle to come off. Once you've gone ahead and done everything else, you've taken the door lock actuator out. You don't have to do the whole door lock actuator to do this. There's two bolts on the back that we removed. That's in the door lock actuator video. But there's two bolts you remove from the back side. And then with this one bolt out, you can drop the locking mechanism off. And so once you've dropped that off, then there is a tab on this side. And then you want to use a nice, good sturdy, non-marring, or just try to push from the back. It's just a little plastic tab that's holding us in. Go. A little bit of force in this tab. And this little tab that was holding it in there didn't want to give it up. But that's how you'd remove this if you need to replace it. The spring can break, or this plastic can break if you're really pulling on it. Sometimes those things will break, and then that's the way you would remove it. All nice and good. So if you need to put a new one, once you get a new one, put it back in, put it in from the top, push it in from the bottom, and then just snap it back into place. Certainly easier going back in than it was coming out. But that's how you replace your outside handle on your Honda Fit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.